Hi guys, I'm super excited to welcome you all to another interesting part of my life, which is the SHIBI Kitchen. Wow, I know most of you will be like, SHIBI Kitchen, what? Which one is SHIBI Kitchen? Well, SHIBI Kitchen is an online kitchen where we learn how to make local and continental dishes. So today being our first episode of SHIBI Kitchen, we're going to be learning how to make pancakes, guys. I know most of you have different ways you make a pancake and different recipes. So today I'm going to be teaching you a simple recipe you can use to make your pancake anytime, any day, using the following ingredients. I'll be leaving the measurements in the description box down below. For the first ingredient, you'll be needing a flour, fine all-purpose flour for this. Why I use all-purpose flour? Because you can use it for any other thing you want to do, be it cake, bread, or whatever. It's perfect, very fine for that, and it's readily available and affordable. The next on our table is egg. Eggs are also very important in making pancakes. Yes, so using room temperature eggs, and yeah. So we're also using the sugar. Man, this sugar looks so fine, like tiny diamonds. This granulated sugar. It's okay if you don't want to use sugar, it's fine. Well, I just want to use sugar for my pancake because most people use sugar too for their pancakes. So it's fine if you don't want to use sugar. If you can use honey for you can substitute for honey though. And we're going to be using a full cream milk. It's a powdered milk though. You can use liquid milk too if you can. And a baking powder, vanilla flavor, powdered vanilla flavor. That's what we're using for this recipe because I couldn't get a liquid vanilla flavor. Now these are apricot jam for the dressing. Yeah. This is also what we're using. And guys, we're going to use a special ingredient. I know you'll be surprised. You'll be like, really? CHEERIOS. Yes, CHEERIOS. You can use CHEERIOS for your pancakes. If you want to know how to use or add CHEERIOS for your pancakes, please stick around and enjoy. And in case you're just joining us for the first time, please kindly click on the subscribe button and the notification bell beside it so that whenever an interesting video like this one pops up, you'll be the first to know. Now we're going to go into the mixing proper. Using my wooden spatula, I'm going to be incorporating the dry ingredients together. First, I'm adding my baking powder and vanilla flavor together into the all-purpose flour. Why am I adding it together? Because they are all dried ingredients. I watched CCMA's video on how to make chin chin, and she added almost all her dried, not almost, she added all the dry ingredients together. Why? I feel because she wants the whole dry ingredients to be properly incorporated so that when she pours in her liquid mixtures or anything, it doesn't shift the ingredients aside. But yeah, that's what I feel though. I'm basically just stirring and mixing all the dry ingredients together, from the baking powder to vanilla flavor. Next, we're going to be adding the milk. Like I said, you can use your liquid milk. So if you're going to use the liquid milk, I think it should come before or after you've added your egg. But for now, we're putting it before that because it's a powdered milk we're using. Then what we're going to do is we're still going to continue stirring. Guys, please forgive me. This is my first voiceover that I'm doing, and I know it's going to be a bit rusty, but we're going to get better with this at this as time goes on. So we're basically stirring this mixture so that it won't, separate. Then we're going to be adding a sugar. It depends on your preference. Some people like plenty sugar, some people don't even like sugar at all. So it depends on your own preference. If you don't like sugar and you like to use honey, like I said, it should come when you're mixing your liquid ingredients into the mixture. It shouldn't come now, okay? So basically what we're doing is trying to stir it all together so that the sugar won't go and hang in one corner. Okay guys, sorry, please forgive me because I know this is at the point now. I remember the days we hear one corner, we'll start dancing one corner. So this is not one corner dance, please. Well, I'm making a hole in the center to add my egg. Excuse me. Add my egg, and now after the egg, instead of mixing it together, I'm going to be adding my water. And guys, I didn't use room temperature water. I don't know for any reason, but I just felt I should use cold water. I use very cold water from the fridge to do this mixture. So you can try using room temperature water, or maybe in our next video we'll try using room temperature water to know if there's any difference. So what I'm basically doing is trying to mix all together. initially this was the paste I got, and when I did the first pancake, it was too thick. I was not planning to eat bread, please. I was planning to eat pancakes, so I had to add extra water in it to get the fine, smooth, thin, not too thin, yeah, but just normal look of my pancake. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. Please, guys, help me with the English. What English do you use for moderate sized or moderate flattened or moderate whatever? I know you shall understand what I'm trying to say. So that's what I did, and I mixed it all. And please, guys, if you guys tried this, please just notify me, tag me on any of my social media handle. Hey, now to the most important part. I know most of you, when you watch this, you'll be like, oh, her saucepan is old, she needs to get a new one. Please, we're in Corona, I don't have money yet, okay? So I know I'm going to change it, because I watched one of Etetim something, yeah. I watched her video and I had one person bashed her over using an old pot. Please, if I have money, if this Corona is over and I get money, I'll get a new pot, I'll get a new saucepan. Please, you guys shouldn't laugh at me, please. I'm actually confessing before some people will come to the comment section and be like, oh, you don't even have a good plan and you're doing pancakes, go and get yourself, because a lot of social media trolls. Please don't troll me. What I'm basically doing is flipping. I know you will see the time I added oil. That's what they call Wainan flour in Hausa. Wainan flour is just like this pancake. I'll call it local pancake, and the local pancake is done with red oil, onions, and pepper, and it's eaten with a lot of yaji. Yaji is this local pepper that they mix a little maggi and a little seasoning. So that's what what I did was not to allow it to get burnt at the bottom. That was why I added that oil. You can use butter if you want, or if you have, or if your saucepan is good enough, you can say not to use and just, fry or do your pancake anyhow, any which way though. What I'm basically doing is just to get the both sides done and not to leave one part not done and all that. So yes, guys, here it is. Here is our delicious pancake about to be served. Okay, guys, and finally to the dressing. Like I told you, the apricot jam is used for dressing. You can use honey, you can use banana, you can use cream, whatever it is you want to use to design your stuff, you can use it. I know you guys were wondering, where did she add Cheerios? Please, guys, I ate it. Oh my god, you thought I was going to add it in my pancake? Well, I think I need to try it. Maybe next time in our next video, I'm going to try using CHEERIOS to make pancake and see how it will taste, but I will crush it though. Okay, so guys, here you have it, our lovely pancake done. So please, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a nice comment to the comment section, and we hope you try this recipe and tag us. And thank you so much. I love you.